What the heck? I just found a foster on Hinge.
Let me see. Why are you on Hinge?
Oh my god. I just found Seth on Hinge.
Oh god, what's his fucking account look like? Oh dear fucking lord, dude. How bad is it? Wait! Are you recording?
Oh my god, bro.
What's wrong?
I just found Paul on Hinge.
What are you doing on Hinge? Uh-oh.
You serious?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. Why are you on Hinge?
What do you mean?
How did you find Joel on Hinge? Why are you on Hinge?
Nathan on what?
On Hinge. I just found his account.
What do you mean?
I just found his account on Hinge. Nathan's account.
Why are you filming me, bro? I'm fucking be pissed off if you're filming me. That's not funny.
Oh my god. I just found Reed on Hinge.
Why are you on Hinge?
Oh, Savannah, what?
Oh my god, Tanner. I just found Cameron on Hinge.
Found Cameron on... Why do you have Hinge? What?
Jesse's on Hinge. I just found him on Hinge. Yeah, go ahead and count that stack of $1 bills one more time.
Oh my god. I just found Connor on Hinge.
Why are you on Hinge? The fuck? Are you being serious, dude? What?
What? Are you recording me?
Oh, you were brought in.
Oh my god. I just found Alex Chen on Hinge.
Alex?
Yeah.
There's no way. You're filming something, huh?
Oh my god, I just found Joel on Hinge.
What?
I found Joel's Hinge profile.
You came out of my face. I was like, sorry? You have something on it? What are you doing?
Nothing. Guess what I just saw? I just found Clay on Hinge.
Wait. What the heck? That's fucked up, dude.
I just saw Jake on Hinge.
Who?
Jake, I just saw Jake on Hinge.
What is Hinge?
Hinge! The dating app.
Oh, so?
Like, why is he on there?
He's probably trying to some pussy.
You don't care that I'm on there?
You on Hinge?
Yeah, that's how I found him.
Y'all matched?
Connor on Hinge.
Are you serious? Why are you on Hinge? Wait, yeah, why?
Oh my god, I just found David on Hinge.
David?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I want to see what it says. Show me the description.
Okay.
Wait, why are you on Hinge? Andrea.
Oh my god, I just found Hinge. In Atlanta. His Hinge just came up on mine.
What are you doing on Hinge? Why are you on Hinge?
Super. I just found Cole on Hinge.
Why are you on Hinge?
What?
What?
I just found Cole on Hinge.
Why are you on Hinge? You're making a TikTok.
What? Babe, my Jake?
Yes.
No. Babe, let me see.
Oh my gosh, wait.
Babe, let me see.
He has a girlfriend, right?
Wait,
That's so shady.
babe, he has a... Why would he be on...
Why are you on Hinge?
You didn't know why you're on Hinge.
Oh my god. I just found Presley on Hinge.
Why are you on Hinge?